Hello everybody, this is Clean Phil Wanted, and today I'm going to show you something. I'll give you a better picture of it. I used to play D&D with my friends back in the States, and we would go out and look for little characters in the stores that would represent our characters on our battlefield, adventure field, whatever you want to call it. I never really liked any, so I used epoxy putty and I created this dude. Now, he is very Ezio because I was very into Assassin's Creed at that point, so there's a lot of likenesses to that here. He hasn't had a proper home and really hasn't seen the light of day in 2.5 years, so I'm going to make him a proper home. that's okay. Swell out a tiny bit when I do that. Okay. I could keep the inside white, which I think might be interesting, but be difficult as well. Right there, I gotta get that. The inside's gonna be what it is. Yes, that's a lot nicer. I finally made a proper home for my little dude I made years ago. A proper base and a proper home for him now that he's been killed off for 2.5 years. But I'm very happy with this. Now he is on a brass base now. It's 1 inch by 1 inch, which is the usual size you use in D&D, but I glued a rare earth magnet in the center of it, drilled a hole into it, glued a rare earth magnet in the center of it, glued him on top, flattened everything out, and that's how he's stuck on there. So I could use him again, but I have no intentions of doing that. This actually was more difficult than I thought it was going to be, but that's probably because I did not really draw it out or design it ahead of time. And what I did draw out, I didn't really follow. So I just kind of went with the flow. I would suggest you do try this. If you have something you want to display, something for your kid, it doesn't have to be a miniature, a D&D thing, but it could be anything. Hey, subscribe, like, and comment, and catch you next time. Laters. This is gross. I've had this one glove on for like 1.5 hours plus. It's my last glove. Gone.